Now it's time to get that score that we have being kept to be visible on the display. So that's what we're after. We're trying to find a way to put NNHS's value, which is a number, on the stage. So here's what we do. You're going to take the text tool and you're going to drag a box onto the stage. Once you do that, you're going to be able to go to the property window and do a couple things. This has already been done, but you'll notice, and let me pull this over a little bit so you can see there's a lot of choices here, and I want you to see the text. Okay, so what we have now are choices for this text property. It can be classic text or TLF. I'm using classic text, as you can see. Now there's other choices for text, and don't let these scare you. Static just means it'll always be the same. So you could say, welcome to my game, and that would always be visible. Dynamic is one that can change, just like the score. So that's the one we're picking here. Input, just for future sake, is if you said enter your name here, and then you could capture the name in a variable and use it later and say, way to go, whatever the name is. Anyway, that's the combination, but also pay attention that I've given it an instance name. So total pops is this text box, and it's in there that we're going to want to be able to tell it to show the score. Get ready for one more important thing, and then you'll be able to do this. So there it is. We want to show NNHS, which is a number, on the screen. So here it is. There's NNHS, what we want to show, but it's a number. And in order to show it in a text box, you have to convert it to a string. So as simply as I can say it is, you're kind of saying, okay, numbers are different than words. Words are strings. So take the value of the score, which says 1, turn it to a string. Then it's just the word 1, not a mathematical value anymore. And you're saying, okay, total pops, that was the name of the box that we have here. This guy right here was called total pops. And we've seen this before, where you've got an instance name, .x, .y. Well, this time, because we're showing words in it, it's .text. So what we're going to see right now is we've got 0 from the beginning, and I am going to click, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see it's working, and we've got a nice little game now where there's a score being kept, and there's also a sound. So you're doing great. This is a simple, but at the same time, there's a lot going on.